Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a tripod review of the Gitzo Series 1 Traveller Tripod Carbon Edition. And I'm going to start right now. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is James, and if it is the very first time to this channel, and you want to learn all about Photoshop, Lightroom, and everything photography related, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss anything. So in this review guys, I'm going to be doing a tripod review of the Gitzo Series 1 Traveller Tripod, and this is the carbon fibre edition. I'm going to be breaking this review down into 3 separate parts to really work out if this tripod is worth a spot in your camera bag. So without further ado guys, let's get started. So just before I start talking about the build quality of this tripod, I just wanted to talk about the tripod bag that this tripod comes with. I must say I am incredibly disappointed with the quality of the bag. It's this almost throwaway material with a tote kind of bag at the top where the tripod fits in with the box. I must say, with the cost of this tripod, I was expecting a really nice waterproof bag, possibly with a harness or some kind of clip so you can fit it onto other camera bags. So if you are after a nice tripod bag, maybe a waterproof one, you're probably going to have to buy either a third-party one or one off the Gitzo website. I'm not going to mark this tripod down because of the bag, because some people don't use it, but it is something to mention. If you are after a nice tripod bag, you're going to have to buy one separate. So the first thing I want to talk about is the build quality of this tripod, and I must say I was absolutely blown away by the build quality. This is by far one of the nicest tripods I have ever tested. So this particular tripod is made out of 3 different materials. The first material that will come across is the carbon fibre legs. Now this particular carbon fibre isn't just normal carbon fibre. This carbon fibre is incredibly thin because of the weave that Gitzo has created. This particular weave makes it also a lot stiffer, meaning that the legs can be thinner than other tripod legs, making this tripod incredibly light and one of the lightest tripods I have ever tested. The other components you can see are the metal and aluminium construction around the ball head and joints that you can see at the top and bottom of the tripod. This makes the tripod again really light without using either heavy steel or other materials. And the last material that will come across is these rubber constructions over the twist locks that you can see on the legs, but also surrounding all of the adjustments on the ball joint, which again makes it really easy to tweak and adjust this tripod either height or change the angle using the ball joint. Again, I must say this is by far one of the nicest tripods I've ever tested, and all of the ones that I have in my shop, this is by far the nicest one, excluding price. So for that reason, I'm going to be giving it a 10 out of 10 for build quality. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is the size and weight of this tripod, and this is by far one of the lightest tripods I have ever tested, only weighing 1 kilogram. Compared to the carbon fibre Manfrotto version, which weighs 1.5 kilograms, this is 500 grams less, and this is due to 2 reasons. First reason is it's obviously made of carbon fibre, but the second reason is the weave of the carbon fibre. Because of it's got a special weave in it, the legs can actually be thinner, which again reduces the weight down even further. This also has a great feature of actually being quite tall compared to other travel tripods, coming in at 153 centimeters, which is actually quite tall compared to other tripods out there that are kind of based around travel. And it can be even taller if you go ahead and take the main stem and move it all the way up to the top. And as you can see, it's almost at my eye level. Another great thing about this tripod, which is actually loads of great features, is it's also incredibly small as well when you do compact it down. And at its smallest height, it's only 43 centimeters or 16.5 inches, which is perfect if size is an issue, especially maybe if you've gone hiking or if you have a small camera bag. And it's perfect as it will fit into a carry-on luggage, which means you can take it on a plane. Another great thing about this tripod is its maximum weight. It can actually carry up to 10 kilograms. This is due to, again, 2 reasons. The carbon fibre, but also the aluminium ball head. So because it's got made of these materials, it can carry almost all types of camera bodies and lenses. So for instance, I've tried it with the Sigma 150 to 600mm, which is an incredibly large lens, and this tripod handled it completely fine. So if you do have a larger setup, such as maybe wildlife photography, or maybe you're just simply using it for weddings, this is a perfect tripod for all types of photographers. So because of the incredible lightweight of this Gitzo tripod, and also its maximum payload, it can carry up to 10 kilograms, which is perfect for all photographers, I'm going to be giving it a 9 out of 10 for size and weight. So last but not least is the price, and coming in at £539, this is one of the most expensive travel tripods on the market today. Even compared to the Manfrotto B3 GT, a very similar build quality, coming in at £299, this is £240 more expensive, and I just don't think this particular tripod is worth it, and it really is out of budget for most photographers. So for that reason, I'm only going to be giving it a 4 out of 10 for price. Brilliant, and there we go guys. So that is my tripod review of the Gitzo Series 1 Traveller Tripod. And with a respectable score of 22 out of 30, this is a recommended tripod to have in your camera bag. Even with the extraordinary high price, if you do have the budget for this tripod, you will not be disappointed with the build quality. Again guys, if you want to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, it really does help my channel grow. Also, if you want to hit the bell notification, so you don't miss any of my latest content. But until next time guys, keep creating.